Welcome. In this video, I'm going to use matrices to compute some cross products. So this is really just some basic skills you need in this course. So these vectors, recall, this one is 1, 0, 0, and j vector is just 0, 1, 0. So their cross product can be computed using this matrix. Okay, so this is equal to I times, let's cover up the values directly below I to get what is left. So we do 0 times 0, which is 0, minus 1 times 0, which is 0. Next, we do a minus j. Let's cover up the two numbers under j. Now we're going to multiply again across the diagonal. 1 times 0 is 0. Minus, multiplying on the other diagonal, we have 0 times 0 is just 0. Finally, we have plus k. And now let's cover up the values directly below k. And multiplying along this diagonal, we have 1 times 1 is 1, minus 0 times 0 is 0. So as you can tell, this is just equal to k. Now this segues directly into B. We've already figured out what this cross product is, I cross j. So I cross j plus k. Well, that's going to equal k plus k, which is 2k. Or just 0, 2, 0. Excuse me, that's not k. 0, 0, 2. There we are. And in case that wasn't clear, since I didn't write it here, this is equal to 0, 0, 1. Those of you in my online course should have already seen this, but if you just stumbled upon this video on the internet and don't know what I mean by k, this is what I mean. The unit vector in the direction of the positive z axis in xyz space. All right, so let's get to one that's a little more interesting. I'm going to just quickly call this star so I don't have to rewrite all this. And star is equal to, let's go ahead and set up our matrix here. I have 1, negative 2, 3. That's the first vector. The second vector is 1, 0, negative 1. So let's cover up both numbers below I. And now multiply along the diagonal. Negative 2 times negative 1. That's positive 2. And then from that we subtract 0 times 3, which is 0. Then we're going to subtract the j component, cover up the values under j with your finger, and multiply across the first diagonal. 1 times negative 1 is negative 1, minus, multiply the second diagonal here. 1 times 3 is 3. Finally, we add the k component. Go ahead and cover up the values below k. 1 times 0 is 0, minus 1 times negative 2 is negative 2, and negative times a negative is a positive, so I'll go ahead and write just 2. So we end up with what? 2i plus 4j plus 2k. So that's equal to 2, 4, 2. Hopefully you found this helpful. Keep calm and math on.